Before we start today's video, I just wanted to formally apologize to all of you guys because I have not been making videos even though I said I was going to. But I do have a few things cooking and I've been working pretty hard and I think everything's gonna get back on track sooner than you guys think. I really wanted to share with you guys something I found a few weeks ago and I've been enjoying it a lot. So if you guys have my car or want to get my car or any IS for that matter, you will be getting an ugly OEM key fob. So this is my key fob and I have a cover on it, but really ugly. And I found the solution for this ugly key. Yeet! We got this one. Oh yeah, that is fire. And yes, it does work. Everything works on this. I'm not gonna push the alarm button because it's gonna be loud. But I went ahead and opted for the red one because I like black and red. It comes in two different colors. Your basic silver / gray and this red one right here. I thought I'd share this with you guys. If you guys wanna cop this, you can get it from AliExpress, any of those websites, possibly on eBay, and I will leave a link down in the description below for you guys to get this mod. It's just the shell, which means let me see if I can find my key. Well, it's lost in there, but I transferred everything from my old key into this new one. So that means the battery, the motherboard or whatever, and let me just show you guys real quick. So check this out, there's a button right here. Push this down. I still need to get this cut, but it does come with one of these, and you stick it in right here, and you can pop this right open. I transferred everything over into this new one. And when you do that, all you do is just snap this back together. Easy peasy. I got the 4-button one because my old remote had 4 buttons on it. If you guys are interested, it's really cheap. I think I only spent like 24 bucks on this. Here's the coolest part. Since you guys clicked on this video, I appreciate all of my subscribers. I'm gonna give away 2 of these to 2 of you guys. 1 red and 1 silver. All you have to do is just comment if you like this key or not. That's all you have to do to be entered, and I'll pick the winner in the next video. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me and watching the videos. I love this thing. Now, let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today, we're actually starting off the video in the rain, and I'm going to be judging a Honda Accord / Toyota Camry little car show. So we got a bunch of cars, some that aren't Camrys and Accords obviously, but oh my god, I gotta show you guys those 2 Teslas. Those 2 cars are probably my favorite cars here, even though that's not what I'm judging, but you just have to see them. They're so amazing. But yeah, one of my friends hit me up. I haven't seen him in a while, and it's gonna be an honor to judge this car show. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Guys, I've yet to see some Blitz 03s on a Tesla, and this Tesla has Blitz 03s and the best fitment. Holy shit. Tell me that is not fire. This is literally the best Tesla ever. And then this one, oh my god, we got some like Meisters on it. Oh, that thing is on the ground. More fender to lip, but this one's fitment is fire, and I just love the wheels and the color. Very simple, very nice. Yeah, we still have a bunch of cars coming in. Ooh, sick. We have people airing out. On the bright side, even though it's raining, you don't need to wash your car or do a detail wipe because everyone's car is gonna look wet and clean, and I think that's the beauty of it. So far, everything is sick. Oh, this one's fire. I saw this one on the freeway. So sick. But yeah, it's my first time doing this, so I don't really know where to go. But when in doubt, go to the only booth. Everyone has like the best fitment. It's gonna be a fun one. Oh yeah, I haven't seen this car in so long. I see it at the shows all the time, but first time and probably the last time I saw this car was in San Diego when I went. And it is so clean. It's my buddy. Call him Toast. Got a booth here too. Look at all these fire cleaning products. And I just found out that the owner of that Tesla with the Blitz is one of the judges too. His name's Kevin, and really nice guy, and his car is amazing. Hopefully we can film a little more about it later if he has other things on it too. So far so good. Everyone's coming in. Everyone's finding a good parking spot. So it's not really like a car meet, but it's also not really a car show. It's like in between. I guess it just got more support. They're able to get sponsors, trophies, and yeah, that's why it's pretty chill. I view this more like a cooler car meet. Everyone has some sick cars here. Like, I love these front ends. Oh, you get to see it ride height. That shit is fire. Oh my god. I honestly think I like it better in the back because most people like it in the front to show it off. But
I'll show you my front too. So it's actually
in the front?
It's a double setup, yeah.
No way. So this actually is more for convenience, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So usually at shows I run this so that it shows like my sponsors.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. And then
I'm sure you probably don't think it's a flex, but you have an iPad in there and you have an iPad out
the
here.
car's one big ass iPad. But then
yeah, that's clean. Have you guys ever seen a Tesla with some baller bride seats and the coolest roll cage? Holy shit. Oh, that just goes. That goes so hard. So we just finished chatting. He has come a long way from when I first saw his car like 3 years ago. He has a big brake kit. He's got more meat on the tires. He has a bigger turbo, custom tune. So now he's pushing some good power. I'm not gonna tell you guys a number, but definitely fun. And it still looks just as good. Definitely a lot better now. We got people all over. And I think we're passing out the car modification form so everyone can fill it out. Jesus. Ooh, free car parts? Guys, I'm gonna need your help with judging. I am not built for this. I just love every car. I appreciate everyone's ideas and the time and effort they put into their build. I can't really be biased, but I'm gonna try to be. From what you guys have seen, what car do you like the most? I still haven't found one just yet, but I think I will soon. Oh, and guys, the reason why I didn't bring my car is because this is about an hour-and-a-half drive and I couldn't get new tires on time. I'll bring my car next time. Give you guys another look at this car. It's playing the bangers too. Guys, look at this car. And he owns it. Looks like he's 15 and he owns a cooler car than I do. I did not have a sick car when I was like 15. I'm sure you're older, but killer. And he subscribes to the channel and watches. Thank you. Holy shit, this is clean. The black and white just goes so well. He's also a host / judge, and if his car was in it, that'd be on my radar right there. Very simple, very clean, but still super nice, aggressive. But we can't be judging that, we gotta judge the cars over there. We're all going around judging cars right now real quick. Guys, you can't have me judge this one because it's on BBS's and I'm very biased. And this is very clean, paint matched. You just can't go wrong with paint matched and BBS's, like it's so fire. Like, the theme is great too. Wow. Very, very nice. Colors are great with this one. The first two cars that are right in front of us, I've spoken with the council. That one is going to be a contender for best wheels because they're amazing. This one is so far going to be a contender for best overall, possibly, because we have slots for that too. I really like this one too. It's pretty aggro but pretty clean at the same time. I like it. So even though we're going around right now looking at all these cars, I already know exactly what car I have in mind to win Best Camry, because I know this body kit, I know the wheels, I know everything, and the way that it was executed is absolutely perfect. So I can't wait till we come across that car, because we still have so many to look at. Once we see that car, you guys will see that's why it's my favorite. I really like the fitment for this car. Really tight. Nobody knew. I don't really know if the camera could pick up the color, but that is so nice. Guys, look at this wrap. Camera doesn't do it any justice, but it looks just as good as paint. You got the only bags. See the trunk setup. Oh, you cannot go wrong with a trunk setup like this. Gives me some cyberpunk vibes a little bit. All right, guys, are you ready to see my top contender for Best Camry? And it is this wide body one. I've always loved this bumper on it, and he just has the whole kit and it flows so well. You know, for me, I personally love paint match more, but I appreciate the look that he's going for. It's so aggressive, it flows. Look at the matching rear bumper, which I don't think you'll be able to see. Hopefully this flash helps. Oh my God, that is aggressive. Jesus, with the duckbill. Yeah. These wheels are so nice. I love that you went red too. I don't know if they come already red.
Yeah, they come red.
That's sick. What do we have here? The luxurious Toyota Camry. Should have brought mine, but nice. Oh, we got the DRLs. Let's go. Some Lexus inspiration. That's pretty cool, right? Get some points for that from me. Yo, Wizard Harry! That is so sick. Sorry guys, it's hard to film. My camera's just getting soaked, but a lot of cool cars. Really hard to pick for me. It's not my bread and butter, but I love seeing all these different things here. With the QR code too. Guys, look at how much it's raining right now. Holy shit. All right guys, everyone go away. Event's over. I took off my microphone because it's gonna get stoked. Damn, you flexing the Tesla already? You're not even near the car. Very nice Tesla. Thank you for driving me, bro.
Of course.
We made it back home, and oh my God, that was a crazy experience. Not just because it rained, but I've never judged anything like a car show or a meet, so it was really cool, but at the same time, I just don't have the heart for it. After that whole experience, I respect judges at car shows a lot more. Dude, props to them. I don't have the heart for that. I just like everyone's build to an extent. I just can't see myself hating on someone's hard work, you know what I mean? Like, it might not be my taste, but all of those cars that I saw today, I personally like my car better because it's my car and I put my own hard work and my taste into it. I still can't be like, oh yeah, this guy can't get second place because front fitment doesn't match the rear. Like, dude, everyone has better fitment than me, so I'm not one to say anything. And then I can't say this or that because to me, I don't feel like my build is even that great. I feel like all of their builds were way better than mine. Not that it's a contest or anything, but I just appreciate everyone's work, their vision and everything. So it's so hard for me. I would just be an awful judge. If you guys went to any car show that I legitimately hosted and I was giving out trophies, everyone would be getting a trophy, like a participation trophy or something, just because everyone's killing it. But yeah, it was a cool experience. Definitely, truly honored to have been a part of it. Unfortunately, it rained, so I think what we're doing is hitting up everyone on Instagram that won and mailing them their trophy. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a little bit different content than what I normally post, and kind of wanted to bring my car, but then it rained so damn hard, I was like, you know what? I'm so glad I didn't bring it. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I promise I will be back with more videos. I've been working hard. Sometimes you just need to kill in silence. You don't need to let everyone know your move, but I'm just letting you guys know there are going to be some pretty big moves. I just don't want to tell you guys and then 1-2 videos from now it's like, oh yeah, that's not happening. So let's just wait and see how everything plays out, and I promise it'll be worth it. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. 33,000 subs. I can't believe that you guys are still watching my videos to this day. Can't thank you guys enough. With that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.